Skateboarding is so hard.
Ow! Why am I like this?
That one sucked, Aaron. You remember, I think it was last August, we went to Shoreview.
Yeah.
Tried to do the hard flip, and it was indeed a hard flip.
And you nailed it, though.
Yeah, I nailed it. It took a while. I feel like I am a better skater today than I was a year and a couple months ago. But the trick that I want to do today, it's not a new one for me. I've done it before.
Yeah.
And I've landed, I would say, maybe a couple good ones in my skate career.
Yeah.
But I know you can help me. I want to do a good frontside flip.
A good frontside flip.
A solid frontside flip. Like, I don't want to, like, kick flip, land on the nose and pivot, although I know that is kind of a practice step for it.
Yeah, but there's many kinds of frontside flips.
Like, I want a Reynolds flip, like a good one.
Like but not a Muska flip. Wait.
Muska flip is like the hard flip, right?
Yeah.
Reynolds has like the nice one where he kind of does like a full like 270 flip and then kind of like reverts the rest of the way.
Okay.
Like that's what I see in my realm of potential.
Okay, so we're gonna start out couple ollies, couple frontside 180s, couple kick flips. This is what this trick is made up of.
This is throwing it back right here.
We're throwing it straight back to the old school, back to the roots of Braille. We're here to teach the entire world how to ride a skateboard. Gabe Cruz, shout out, let's go. We even got the San Francisco Police Department up in the house. Beautiful ollie, beautiful first try.
You know, what I'm trying to figure out is which way I think will be beneficial to go for the trick.
Yeah.
I feel like going this way is better.
Yeah, I think you're right.
But I'm not sure.
I think I need to do this with you.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna rely on your judgment and you just let me know. Should I do front one next?
Front one, yeah.
But then going this way feels more comfortable, so I don't know. Yeah, like if I could land it like that, you know?
Just like that, only with a flip, yeah.
But I know like my flick is good enough to do that. And I think if I catch it in the right spot, then I can get it. It's hard to say. Let me do one more front one, see if I can get a good one.
I gotta catch up with you. The ollie.
Let me do one more front one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Fundamentally for me, back 180s are the easier way to go.
Really?
Like a backside flip is so much easier than a frontside flip for me.
Yeah, so backside flip, I understand. The frontside flip, the reason it's hard is because your flick direction is the same direction you're turning. So your board turns into your flick, which makes it hard. You're like, am I gonna flick or am I gonna turn? It's almost one or the other, but in this trick you need to do both.
Hit a kick flip?
Yeah, kick flip. Yeah, solid.
Wow, that was good. Oh my gosh. Make that look so easy.
It's hard to like say how I think about it.
That is messed up how...
You could do that.
But you do the full, like the full flick.
You guys were my childhood.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Thank you, bro.
Shame about Braille, but good day, guys.
Yeah,
Still
thanks,
going
you
strong,
too.
brother.
Wow, see that bone flick?
Yeah, that was like, you know when you kind of get stuck on the pop and then it just like stays with you, you know?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so I don't know, do you even practice step this? Do we even?
Let's go over here. Maybe I should just make a bet with you and try to steal some money. No.
Yeah, make a bet.
Well, let me just see your foot position. So you're going pretty much just standard kickflip foot position.
Yeah, but I think my back foot is a little more in the back pocket.
Back pocket, okay.
Because it's so weird. It's literally like, it's almost like you're turning and it's almost like you're flicking that way.
Are you flicking forward?
No.
Or are you flicking like
Yeah.
behind you, kind of like hard flip almost?
Yeah, like kind of like hard flip. Like you almost, yeah, it's almost like you're turning and then you're kicking that way because you have to get the board. This is why this trick is difficult, because you have to flick as it's turning this way.
Yeah.
So imagine where your foot needs to be. And then I really emphasize like, okay, now I'm gonna step onto my front foot and pivot.
Okay.
I always think about that.
Yeah.
Especially on the frontside flip. It's hard, heavy weight onto the right leg, front leg, and then turn.
Because at that point, if you land on the front foot, your momentum will just carry you to where
Yeah,
you
you're
need to
good, you're good.
go. Carry you to the promised land.
I think you should just go like, the step off with the back foot.
I want to, but also just want to see if I can do it first tee.
Okay, first tee. What's the
You tell me.
first try, frontside flip, $100. Any landing. No toes on the ground, but it doesn't have to be like all the way in the air. If this guy's been practicing frontside flips for the last month, he's trying to play me.
It's wedding season. We need every dollar we can get.
Everything counts, boys.
No! What the heck? I forgot to turn.
This is very common. You see, you got the flick, but you didn't get the turn. Because of that, it's almost like one or the other.
Oh, that was
you know what
so
I mean?
bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go, Cruz.
Okay. We got it. We got it. We can do it.
That was Reynolds, though. That was snap, crackle, popping.
I'm gonna land it however I can, but if it works out like that, I'll take it.
That was good, though.
Yeah, it felt good.
Does the pop feel good?
The pop feels good. The timing of the flick is a little late.
Yeah.
But it's just the shoulders in front of you is a little weird.
Yeah.
It's like that. It's not a familiar motion.
Right.
Oh baby, we're gonna land a good one. Felt better. Felt a little more controlled. Once I get the flick, it's happening. I just can't.
Yeah.
I don't want to commit if I'm not getting the flick right.
Yeah. Wow. That was good.
I got flashes of glory right there.
Yeah, that was good.
All right, can I get one counter offer?
Well, yeah.
This try, $50 and then done. No more bet.
Okay, this try, $50. Oh, boy.
I'll tell you what, when I land that, it's gonna look good though.
Yeah, he's got this. He's got this now. He believes in himself. That's what you need. Step one, believe in yourself.
The hardest part about skateboarding is like I want to land it, but I haven't mentally convinced myself to do it yet.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like I want to be done, I want to land it, but I'm standing there and I just don't have any confidence. Like, I'll be fully honest.
I literally just said, he's got it. He's believing in himself. And then he's like, I don't believe in myself.
I don't. So that's like the mental switch in the brain that's hard to overcome sometimes.
Yeah.
But literally, if I just go over there and I have the skill set to do it, I can do it. I just need to decide to do it.
And then do it.
This isn't necessarily an easy trick to do after such a long hiatus, but it's okay because I got the skills. We're gonna land it right here.
That's true. Also in our minds, we think like, oh, I will do this trick, I'll do that trick. And then you go out and you're like, Mom, I'm gonna do like 1/10 of those tricks. I think you should commit to a 90. Yeah. Yeah.
You idiot, just land it.
Ninja.
Oh, flick.
It's right there. Yeah.
Let me see. I need to see myself being a forking weenie. Dude, it's right there.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
just
right
being
there.
stupid. Oh my God. You know what I honestly think it is I'm not waiting to flick. Like
Yeah.
It's just all happening kind of
But then on
fast.
some of them, you get a really good flick, and you just need to bend your knees.
Oh!
Yeah.
I'm letting the music bring me into the world of Legend of Zelda.
It's literally.
It's unbelievable.
Hi.
That's exactly what I did over there. I'm committing! I'm committing! That's the first one I committed to. Dude, come on.
There it is. Yeah. That was commitment. Whoa, boy! That was the best one. Dude, that was so good.
All right, I got it right here. Flip the goddamn board. You just let your hoverboard guy down. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Ooh. Ow!
You're almost there.
Fork!
Yeah, fork.
Ah,
That hurt. You're catching it early. Keep your feet up. Yeah.
Gabe. Oh my God, I'm about to lose my mind, Aaron. Why can I not just land this trick?
I love how fast he goes from like right there to then he's like super pissed. Don't go to the dark side, Gabe. You got it.
I'm trying to stay here. You absolute weenie hut general. Aaron, why do I always do this? I pick tricks that I know I can do and then I just struggle. Why?
And you had it right there.
Why am I like this?
You're going through the mental battle.
No, it's mentally killing me because it's not even hard.
It is hard. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just like I'm not even trying. Like, I'm literally not even trying.
You had it.
I had it.
You were right there. You figured it out. Now you just got to put it down. Yeah.
Thoughts of failure keep seeping in.
Don't let those thoughts get in
Bro.
there. Get those thoughts out of there. Oh my!
Did I just break it?
What the? No, that was perfect.
That's it. That's a hope I needed.
Right there, boy. Let's go.
Right here. This is it. Boom. Boom.
There it is. Let's go. First try. That was good, Gabe.
Let me get 3 more.
Yeah, you got it.
It definitely counts. Like, I'll take it. It wasn't great,
Yeah.
but it's a good starting point. 3 more tries.
There it is.
2 more.
You got it.
But realistically, I only need 1.
Yeah.
All right, last one.
You got it. Get it.
Oh my God. I just don't want to spend any more time on this. That one sucked, Aaron.
Do a couple more.
Yeah, it wasn't that long ago.
I think it was like 4 tries ago.
Oh my God, dude. That is so bad. Are you serious, man? What is wrong with me?
That was so good. Yeah.
That last one was unbelievably good.
Yeah.
Skateboarding is so hard. It's so hard.
It's true. You got it, though.
Greatest thing that ever happened to me. It's so freaking hard.
Yeah.
All right, negative thoughts out. I feel grounded to my board. I feel grounded to this earth right here. Sometimes I wish I didn't have to have an emotional breakdown to land tricks.
Why? That's the best
Sometimes
part.
it's the best part. You're right. I'm gonna feel so good when I land
The
it right
second
here.
you start freaking out, I go, oh, he's getting close. Gabe, land that. We need a warrior cry. A battle.
I mean, there's gonna be a cry. It's not gonna be a warrior cry.
Yeah, it is. Ah! Come on. Come on. This man is still on there. Counts on defense. Let's go.
Fudge! I just want to send this to my friend.
Yeah.
I want to send it to my friend Abe. I want him to see the video and be like, what the hell? When you were skateboarding, you didn't even do this trick. You're not washed. And he'd be right.
You're
I'm
not washed. You're not,
I'm better than ever! Aaron, I'm just leaning too far back.
Stomp it.
It's there.
Just put the feet down.
Dude, I will sit here all, if you want to put it on a tripod and just leave it.
Stomp it, Gabe. Whoa! Shut up. That's not all it took. You're lying.
All right, this is it. I just knew it.
Yeah, boy.
My shoulder hurts so bad.
Really? Wait, that's got to be the thumbnail right there.
I think there was like 4 months of emotional stress that just released right there.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna feel really nice after this.
I think that was pretty good. Gabe absolutely crushed it. He landed the frontside flip. This is why skateboarding is the greatest thing ever. It's a mental battle, physical battle, spiritual battle. Everything is the battle, and then you land it and you pull through and you get it. Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Follow Gabe on Instagram, Gabe Cruz 01. Love you guys. See you in the next video.